Decorating your own place is thrilling, but it can also be stressful. Get rid of your apprehension because it's now time to put all those hours spent looking through apartment decorating ideas to good use. Of course, when you're decorating or renovating, there's no limit to what you can do. You can go as far as removing the bathroom tiles, upgrading kitchen cabinets, laying fresh carpet, and a whole lot more. We also know that working within a budget can be challenging, but don't stress, we've got you covered. In this video, we will be looking into 10 DIY apartment decorating ideas. Before we get started, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Create a welcoming entryway. First impressions matter. Take the time to cultivate an appealing and welcoming entryway like this one. All that takes are a few small items like a place to put your keys and a wreath on the back of the door to make it feel homey. Be sure to have proper lighting in your entryway. 2. Use command hooks to decorate your apartment. Here's a simple fixture suggestion for you. Add heavy-duty command hooks to the front entry for guests to hang their coats and bags. Command hooks can be easily removed, so they are great for anywhere you need hooks. Perfect for a small apartment with a small space. You can even use this as wall art, but not too much. 4. Apartment decor-friendly window treatments. To get that homey apartment feel, especially in your apartment living room, remove those ugly blinds and hang curtains using command hooks so you don't add new holes to the walls. You can even cut them down if the hooks are too tall or spray paint them to match your wall paint or any color palette of your choice. Lovely! It's amazing what a difference some curtains and command hooks can make. Rather than putting holes in your walls to hang up blinds, curtains are a way to beautify your room without causing damage. 5. Use plants to add color to your apartment. A lot of renters get frustrated with not being able to add their own decor and style. So here's an interior design suggestion. Try adding splashes of color with potted plants. 6. Arrange things artfully. Not all small apartment living rooms involve keeping items sparse. You can have plenty of furniture, but it's displayed in such a way to avoid looking cluttered and stuffy. However, to keep things in order, you can use the 3R guiding principles in each room of your home. Reduce, resourceful, and resilient. Reduce what you have. It's the most direct path to efficient organizing. Be resourceful. When you have less, you find more creative ways to use your belongings. Be resilient. If you find you don't have something you need, don't get bent out of shape or rush out to buy more. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. If you know other DIY apartment decorating ideas, don't hesitate to share them with us in the comments section.